Hey y'all, this is the recap for Wednesday, September 9th, aka the day that we woke up and it looked like the apocalypse just happened. So today we did a learning check first and foremost. There were 4 questions on there, and I had you all work on that for about 7 minutes, and then afterward we did the Unit 2 recap, and then I let you go back and revise your learning check. So if you are having troubles resubmitting or doing a new form, please let me know. If you were absent, please reach out to me so that we can schedule a time to do the learning check, either via office hours or message me through a reminder email. Awesome. After that, I went through this Unit 2 recap, so please head over and listen to that lecture if you missed it, or you can check out the key ideas here. I asked folks to take notes on this. You could have made new notes, you could have added to your old notes where you have all of these topics, or you could have highlighted or wrote important notes off to the side on there. So it was kind of up to you how you decided to take those notes. And then probably the best news that you heard today was that I extended the deadline for the Design and Ecosystem project. So originally it was due on Thursday at midnight, but because of all the things that have been going on, I decided to extend the deadline until Sunday at midnight, so you're welcome. But please make sure you get it done by then. That includes your visual with your ecosystem and your organisms, food web, and your climatogram. That includes the Flipgrid presentation, that's about 10 minutes. And then that also includes your environmental impact report, which is 2 to 3 paragraphs. So all of that, again, is a test grade. Make sure you remember to get it done. Here is the video of me breaking down the rubric in case you really want to make sure you got everything there. And then I also linked the Flipgrids on here, as well as the instructions, the rubric, etc. So use this definitely to get working on that. And cool, that was what we did. I decided not to do the FRQ stuff today, and we pushed that to Thursday. So that's all. Stay safe.